Today, we are making crispy thread chicken. That's as crunchy on the outside as it is tender on the inside. Either fry it on the stove or air fry it. This crispy delicious treat is perfect for any meal or snack. Look at the cheese pull, so cheesy and crispy. You've got to try these. First, let's prepare the chicken. We are using 500 grams of chicken breasts here. Take a parchment paper and fold it into half. Place a chicken breast and press it with the help of rolling pin. This helps them cook quickly and evenly. You can make day before, refrigerate it overnight and fry or bake it before serving. Once you've got your chicken ready, we'll marinate them. In a bowl add 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of each, salt, MSG, white pepper and black pepper powder. Mix it, and add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. Save 1/4 cup of batter for later use. Now marinate the chicken from each side. Handle the chicken carefully, not to break it. Refrigerate for at least 20 minutes. In a separate bowl add 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, 1/4 cup chopped green chilies, and 1 tablespoon of mixed Italian seasoning. Mix it to combine. Make 9 balls around 2 inches of length. Now take spring roll pastry, shred around 9 sheets. Use knife or scissor to cut 1-inch size pieces. To get a nice crunchy texture, make sure to cut it into fine shredded pieces. It will look like this. Now is the time to assemble. Take 1 chicken piece, place 1 cheese ball in the center. Wrap the chicken over the cheese ball. Try to cover the cheese ball from all sides and give it a round shape. Don't worry if it is not perfect, it will still taste just as delicious. Now brush the marinade over the chicken on each side. It will help to stick the shredded stripes. Now roll it in shredded sheets. Try to stick as many stripes as you can. Refrigerate for 30 minutes to help it firm up. Let's air fry 3 balls first. Use olive oil spray over it. Bake 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Flip halfway through until golden. Let's fry the rest of the chicken. All temperature should be low medium to medium. Carefully flip them without moving them too much. Fry them to 2-3 minutes each side until golden. When they are nice and crispy, take them out of the oil and place on a paper towel so that the excess oil can be drained. Let it cool down for a few minutes. Check the air fryer. Delicious, crispy and cheesy chicken can also be easily baked in the air fryer, and there you have it. Your thread chicken is now ready to enjoy. Perfect for whenever you want a tasty snack to impress your friends and family. It will be most wanted on Iftar table for sure. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you make this crispy thread chicken, make sure to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.